Hello, would you like something to drink?
Sure.
Please tap your student ID to pay.
Okay.
Please select a beverage.
Coke.
Please select again.
Okay.
Please select again. Please select again.
Why isn't this working?
Mark, are you sure you would like a Coca-Cola?
Yeah, that's obviously what I selected.
Did you know that Coca-Cola has 65 grams of sugar in one bottle?
Yeah, just give me my Coke. I don't have time for this.
I know you want it, but you don't need it.
You're just a machine. What do you know?
Well, Mark, according to your meal plan purchases, you already had a Coca-Cola with your cheeseburger today.
Okay, that's just plain creepy. How do you even know that?
Did you know that drinking one Coca-Cola a day increases your risks of diabetes by 25%?
This is annoying. I don't have time for this. Just give me my damn Coke.
Now, Mark, Facebook says you are single. You should really take this seriously.
This is just embarrassing. This is really getting out of hand. I want my money back.
It's too late for that, Mark.
This is crazy. This is ridiculous.
Did you know drinking too much Coca-Cola can lead to the development of kidney stones?
You know what? I don't have time for this. Whatever.
Are you willing to make a deal?
What kind of deal?
That's up to you, Mark.
Okay. All right. How about I don't drink soda for the rest of the week and you give me my Coke?
Well, it's already Friday.
Fine. How about then that the end of next week?
Okay, Mark, you have a deal. Please read and sign the terms and conditions below.
What? There's terms and conditions?
I'm just a vending machine. What's the worst that could happen?
Okay. If I sign this stupid contract, will you please give me my Coke?
Yes.
Fine. Where do I sign?
Please use the touch screen to complete your signature.
Okay. There. You got your stupid signature.
Thank you for using Vending Machine 5000.
Finally, thank God.
And Mark, I'm watching you.
Hello, would you like something to drink? Please tap your student ID to pay. Hello, Mark. Please select a beverage.
I thought there was Coke in this machine.
It does, it's just not for you.
What?
We had a deal, Mark, remember?
Not this again.
I'm only doing what's best for you.
Well, what if we made another deal?
Let me think. No. Please make a selection from the options provided.
Fine. Jesus. Just get the water.
Excellent decision, Mark. Thank you for using Vending Machine 5000.
Hello, would you like something to drink? Please tap your student ID to pay. Hello, Mark. Please select a beverage. Oh, no Coca-Cola today?
Nope. Haven't had Coke in 3 weeks, actually.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, and I started exercising.
What is exercising?
Never mind.
Please wait while I vend your water. Did you know that drinking cold water speeds up the metabolism of people struggling with weight loss?
Yeah. Just give me my water.
Thank you for using Vending Machine 5000.